what technology innovation are you most excited about in the world right now, Aidan?
I think there are a ton of repetitive tasks that AI is going to remove that will allow us all to do more interesting work. So if you think of the phrase workflow, I think we'll all be in more flow because AI is going to take away a lot of the repetitive tasks, like sorting out our inbox and interacting with like legal forms or signatures or what have you. I'm looking forward to AI taking away all or as many of the kind of the media tasks or the admin tasks that I do during the day, because I think that's where you're going to get a lot of benefits very quickly. You'll see some of the tools right now where they're automatically taking summarized notes of calls and circulating them afterwards. And I think that's only scratching the surface. If they can take away a lot of the admin that's involved around running a business, I'm going to be very excited with that.